Hey everyone! So, we are doing another product review today, and we're talking about an air fryer that's been getting a lot of buzz lately for its build quality. We've got the brand new Cosori Iconic 6.5-quart stainless steel smart air fryer on the counter. This isn't your typical plastic air fryer, and the price tag definitely reflects that, retailing around $249. We'll have the links and updated pricing in the description for you, but let's get right into why this one is different. We want to start with the actual construction, because that's the big selling point here. This unit is really built for the health-conscious crowd. If you're trying to avoid plastics or you're worried about PFAS, this is a massive win. The build materials are a serious step up, featuring a brushed stainless steel exterior and a fully metal interior cavity, making it roughly 96% metal by visible surface area. It's got a stainless steel interior and exterior, and the basket itself is ceramic coated. When it comes to long-term durability, this reinforced metal construction and the premium tempered glass panel feel much more substantial than the all-plastic competitors we usually see. One of the biggest concerns we had with all that metal was whether the outside was going to turn into a furnace while it was cooking. We actually pulled out the heat gun during our 450 degrees Fahrenheit dry run, and we were honestly surprised. While the back vent gets hot, the sides and front stay between 75 degrees Fahrenheit and 84 degrees Fahrenheit. That's top-notch engineering from the Cosori team to keep the exterior cool while the inside is cranking. Speaking of that dry run, that's always the first thing we do. After we unboxed it, and props to Cosori for the premium packaging and that protective bag, we gave the basket and tray a good wash and wiped down the inside with a warm, soapy cloth. Both the ceramic-coated basket and the crisper plate are officially dishwasher safe, which makes the initial cleanup and daily maintenance incredibly easy for us. We then ran it at the max temp of 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, just to cook off any factory oils. In terms of power consumption, this unit pulls about 1,725 watts, giving it plenty of juice to hit those high temps quickly and efficiently. It's a simple step that we always recommend, so your first meal doesn't taste like a machine. They also included a really intuitive quick start guide and some handy stickers on the front for recommended settings, which we think is great for anyone who might be intimidated by a new gadget. In terms of real-world cooking, we wanted to see if stainless steel changed the game for standard meals. We started with a pound of frozen French fries in the 9.5 by 9.5 inch basket. The heat distribution here is powered by a specialized DC motor with 5 adjustable fan speeds, which moves the air much more precisely than the older AC models we've used. We ran them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, and this is where we noticed a fan-favorite feature. The shake reminder is back. We are so hyped about that button because it really helps get that even, crispy consistency. The unit pauses when you pull the basket and restarts automatically when you slide it back in, which is exactly the kind of seamless experience we look for. The fries came out perfect, and the noise level was a very reasonable, steady hum. Thanks to that DC motor, it stays below 60 decibels, which is much quieter than many other units. We also put some bacon to the test at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. The cooking speed is noticeably faster in this model because the turbo airflow setting maximizes the heat transfer to the food. We were looking to see if the grease would cause a smoke show, but the unit stayed totally clear. The bacon was absolute perfection. We did notice one small thing for those who use parchment liners. The interior isn't magnetic. We tried to use our little magnets to hold the paper down, but they wouldn't stick to the stainless walls. So if you're using a liner, just make sure you've got enough food weight on there so it doesn't blow up into the element. For a versatility test, we whipped up a full dinner at once with honey mustard chicken and diced veggies. We ran them together at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. The chicken got a beautiful caramelized finish from the honey mustard, and the veggies were perfectly tender without us even needing to flip the meat. It's a great example of how this 6.5-quart size is just right for a fast, zero-mess meal, especially if you're using the dishwasher-safe parts for an easy cleanup afterward. Looking at the footprint, this unit is about the same height as the Cosori Turbo Blaze, but it's got a much more low-key and discreet look. It doesn't scream appliance on your counter. It just blends in with a modern kitchen. Plus, it comes with a 5-year warranty on the motor and heating element, which gives us a lot of peace of mind. The basket and tray have a 1-year warranty, and we're hoping Cosori eventually sells those as standalone replacements for when the ceramic gets some wear and tear after a few years of heavy use. Our final thought: while the $249 price point is a jump from your average air fryer, you're paying for the high-quality materials and the health-focused design. It functions really well, pulverizes the cooking times, and looks great doing it. That's our video for today. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next review. Keep the ideas coming for what you want us to put on the counter next, and we'll see you on the next one.